Hello guys, welcome back to the wonderful world of Corgi. Today we will be making this awesome looking Batarang that looks so real that you can frighten your cat with it. Let's get on with it. First, we're gonna print this Batarang picture. Ooh, it's coming out. Is that a bit too big? I think we'll have to print another piece since this is too big. Or is it? What do you think? Yay, new print. Now we have cut the model out. You may ask, but Corgi, what material are you going to use for this pattern? Well, you see, I have this piece of cardboard left from a project I am working on, and it looked pretty cool. So I cut these two rectangles out, just the right size to cut the batarangs out. Normally I would have just used cardboard from the trash can, but since I had this much neat cardboard, I thought I'd use it. Now this is looking pretty sweet, but I have bad news. We have to cut another piece of this thing. Why? Now, as you see here, I have taken out a bit of cardboard for the design, like so. Next, we are going to make the sharp bits by using some sandpaper. Now, this sandpaper may not be the appropriate sandpaper for sharpenings, but I'll still give it a go. As I expected, the sandpaper's grit is too low, so let's just sharpen it with scissors, because why not? I just need to cut it diagonally, like so, and it should form a nice blade-like diagonal thing. This isn't even gonna work, it really did work. It has cut in a diagonal slant right here, giving a little but pretty neat cutting edge texture. Now, as you see, I have created all the cutting blades on all the pieces. It is now the time to stick these together. Now I've stuck these parts together and it's looking pretty cool. But I just realized that I needed to spray paint all of these sides, so it would have been a bit smarter to spray them with some black paint before we stick these parts on. But anyway, we are going now to spray paint this batarang with some black and paint the edges with silver again. Let's go and do it. And once you have dried all of this, we're now gonna color the edges, like here, with some metallic silver Sharpie. Now I have already tested it out on the other side and it looks gorgeous. So we're just gonna go ahead and do it on the other side as well. Once you have colored with the Sharpie, I think we're finished. Now, when I was doing this side, the Sharpie was coming out well, but the Sharpie kind of ran out at the end. But the running out Sharpie gave this really nice, more metal-like texture. Just super awesome. As a Batman lover, I really enjoyed this project, and I hope you did too. With a little bit of cardboard, a spray paint, some Sharpie, and some patience, you can make this too. This awesome looking Batarang. Now, let's try it out. Alright guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video of making this awesome Batarang. If you want to see more awesome projects like this, make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.